To reset the maintenance light on a 2018 Prius, you're going to use the push to start button to go into accessory mode. Once you're in accessory mode, you'll need to backspace out of this screen. To do that, you're going to use the buttons on the steering wheel. So once your screen is cleared, you're going to use the buttons on the steering wheel to navigate through the menu items. So I'm going to arrow to the right until I get to the settings option. Once I'm in here, you can arrow through and you can adjust multiple things. But for this video, we're going to go to vehicle settings and then click OK. And then once we're in vehicle settings, we're going to select the option for maintenance system. Then we're going to arrow down to oil maintenance. Then it'll ask us if we want to reset that oil maintenance. We're going to arrow up to yes and then click OK. And then your maintenance light has been reset.